the one and only Monti Carlo. I just love saying her name so much. It brings me joy.
Monti Carlo.
Yes.
Monty, welcome to the show. Who do you got with you?
I don't know. Who do I have with me? Oh my God. I should have gone to college. I mean, am I down to 12 minutes? Come on. This is like how I used to feel when my mom was coming home from work and I hadn't vacuumed yet, where you're like, get it done.
To help us find ways to stretch our dough,
Better deal on organic. The times they are changing.
we've called on chef, TV personality, and senior food editor for Budget Bites, Monti Carlo.
Monty, what got you to pay such close attention to pricing?
I was a broke single mom for a long time.
The bright star in our media constellation, the fabulous, fantastic Monti Carlo.
Lisa Ling. I'm putting that in my journal.
Hey, who's coming over tonight?
Ephraim's known me since I was like your age. So he's gonna have a lot of stories he's gonna tell you, and none of them are true, okay? Like, not a one.
We are making a spicy spaghetti with grilled lobster and grilled lemon.
They're fancy.
It's gonna be so fancy.
You're on the road a lot, right?
Yeah, I mean, you try to eat as healthy as you can. Just the wear and tear through seasons, you know, to keep cartilage good.
Oh, I don't know
tendons,
anything
all
about
that.
wear and tear. I get winded walking up the stairs. Okay.
Let's eat healthy together. A fun 12-episode food adventure. Join food educator and writer Chef Monti Carlo on a journey of food discovery.
You can't get those professional results without the KitchenAid stand mixer because we all have a lot of quit in us.
Yeah, we do.
It is not easy to beat something in a submission by hand.
Within a mile of this block alone, we have over 35 restaurants that have 4.5 stars on Yelp or higher. That is a whole lot of awesome sauce.
This is Beyonce. This is the rest of Destiny's Child.
I'm gonna have to use my hands.
That's why God gave you hands to eat ribs with.
I was expecting a big wallop of heat. And you're from Atlanta. Why not like a beautiful grit?
Somebody stole all the grits. They took the entire jar.
Sabotage!
No excuses.
Oh my God, the beans are really good.
Girl, right? Bello. I'm just gonna cool it. Cool it now. You gotta slow it down. Anyone? Anyone? Anyone in their 40s here? No? Okay.